to India's brave hearts. On this proud occasion of India's 75th Republic Day, I stand before you as a life coach of Mind Smart Academy with a heart full of patriotism and a vision for a united, harmonious nation. India is an extraordinary mosaic comprising cultures, languages, and traditions from across its many ethnic communities to form its strength. Each individual bears responsibility in upholding this diversity when celebrating our Constitution's values. Let's also remember its core principle unity through diversity. In the diverse fabric of our country, intolerance has no place. It is called upon us to cultivate an atmosphere that instills a sense of worth and esteem in each person, regardless of their personal history. We at MindSmart Academy is a firm believer in the transformation potential of education to break down obstacles and promote mutual understanding. Let us pledge our collective vigilance against forces of division and discord. Thanks to their hard work and sacrifices, our shared history and secular nation were established. Now it's up to all of us to ensure these ideals pass untarnished down through generations without conflict. In our pursuit of progress, let kindness and compassion be our guiding principles. As we educate young minds at MindSmart Academy, we instill in them not just knowledge but also the values that make us proud citizens of this great nation. Let us teach them the importance of empathy, tolerance, and living harmoniously together. On this Republic Day, let the spirit of unity so high. Let us come together as one with a shared commitment to building a nation where every citizen can thrive regardless of their background. As we raise our tricolor flag, let it symbolize not just our independence but also our interdependence. Thank you. Jai Hind.